Kasi nagdaog pa na to.
Tapos na, nagpauli na sila. Mabakal ang tutubulan.
Mabakal mo. Kapon bumili sila ng ticket ka ba?
Ang next mo na ba, Saturday? Hindi kasi sa Thursday. Kasi maglabas ang pili. Ulan na ba? Labas. Nakita ka? Nilagyan sa kanila.
Oh, thank you so much. Basta, message lang kayo sa
Bye, ate.
Bahala na kayo. Naglagay lang kayo ng kamang
Sipa. Tabi ko rin.
Meron pa ako?
Aurora, sa iyo ni ate, oh. Ang pangit mo ka man ding, ate. Ganda naman ang shoes mo. No problem.
Gusto ba mo?
Garba? Kakitira mo tiya.
Iyan na ako.
Ay, ikaw, Day.
Gusto ba?
Hoy, wala na naubos mo. Let's one, ay lang.
Bye, Ted.
Uy, ka na, Day.
Tumataba ka doon sa...
Bakit mo lang nabanding, Day? Matulog. Oo, nag-ganyan po eh. Ay, base active na naman. Bago na kami.
Mga rosas subok na ba'y maong nakubay at mariyan ba ang magkalangan ng kapwa na nagkabalo sa uwiting nag-iba ay musmahan sa iyolo ang langit ng bituin at kayagin pa ng hangin sa'yo tingin ako'y nagbabaliw iniiwas sa awitin kong ito sa'y maibigan mo ibubus ko ang much lover Elmer sa munting halaman para sa'yo
Pero, gusto mo na lang. Wala natin. Ay, kailangan ikaw lang, kamo na tayo.
Pag kinalanay,
Sa piling. Grabe ang bukas dito. Grabe ang bukas dito. Dapat ito. Hindi ko sa ikaw. Nalilisan at akong iniwan sa story mo sa pag-ibig lang ka. Makapalakat ba yan ang mga kailangan man ang
Hindi ko nga alam.
kasi tuturuan naman ako eh. Dapat may
Ngunit
sinasabi.
pag-ibig,
kami na dalawang
iniwas na ang ibig ko ito. Sana'y makikigyan
Dapat kami na.
Hello,
Elmer Music Lover. Andito na naman siya doon. Yan sa
Ay, sinabot kasi siya.
Kaibigan na siya. Kaya sigurado natin sa akin.
Ay, bilis naman matapos.
Nabitin ka, hindi ka nga kumanta. Ate siya ang nabitin, hindi pa nga siya.
Si Mama mo doon, Mama Bubon,
First time na 5 days na siya nga nag- 1 million! Siya nga nag- 1 million. Ang bago na sila sa atin.
Sabi niya, kasama kayo.
Basta pang live.
Bala kayo dyan.
Kita niyo yun.
Oh my God!
May nakahugot kayo.
Siya ka nagugod si
May
Lulu.
hugot.
Yes.
Kaya man sila ibo kantaw.
Ang ano man dabladay, kaot man bala.
When you're here with me, those lectures
Think about saya.
we shared for years. Memories that we had for so long, it's me and you. Now you're gone away, you left me all alone. Go on, do what you want, but please don't leave me. Break my heart. In order to make I'm missing you. Please don't disappear. These are the words that you should leave. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back too. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you upon your feet. I wish someday you'd be back home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. I wish someday you'd be back home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home.
Para din sa takbo na. Pero sa bahay, hindi ko masubukas.
Well, tagal lang ba ako? 3 days yan.
Ladies, ha? Kapag yung
Oy, gathering PSP. Gathering PSP.
Ano po?
Gathering.
At Manog 8, nagwala ko sa balay. Ano na tingnan sa balay?
8871.
Ano yan?
8871.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8,
Feeling alam mo.
8, 8.
Bagay sa'yo, be.
Bagay sa'yo, bagay sa'yo. Ah, yan na, yan na. It's a yes for me, it's a yes. It's a yes for me. Pinoy's Got Talent.
Yeah.
Trying to apologize, feel so lonely when it blindly just found it out. Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you know. Baby, when I know you're sorry when you're gone. Through the quiet show, you had me going. Now it's time to go. 'Cause it's finally closing. Now it's time to show. Very entertaining, but it's over now. Don't wanna take you back. Now you're closing.
Lampadora!
Hello po.
Rampa!
Before the sprinkles fall. But we're not the only one. This just looks like glory money. What else is on? And don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you know. Baby, I know you're only sorry if you get lost. You put up my show.
Bakit?
Really let me go.
Dinner na.
Now it's time to go. 'Cause it's finally closing. Let's start a show.
Oo.
Very entertaining, but it's
Bakit mo pala ginamit kayo ng pangalan?
Ha?
Ginamit kayo ng pangalan? CS. Ever. Thank you, thank you.
Uy, uwa na yan, may uwa. Hindi ko pa kawin, tagalapos.
Standing ovation. Yo, that's your photo, quiet show. Galasan.
Ano na, nalasan. Hindi ko pa kawin, tagalapos.
Time to go. Critics finally closing. Now it's my show. Very entertaining, but it's over now. Go on and take a but it's over now.
Ay, paligid ko yung sister. Parang
Last na lang to ata ate.
Sa'yo.
si Hayden ko na alaga ko dyan.
Oo. Saan mo ko
Kaya mo yan. Mag-upload ka rin. Sige, Dora.
Hindi ko pa alam. Totoo lang. Nilagay ko para sa iyo.
Sad can never.
Walker, is pa ba?
I should've known better than to cheat a friend.
Parang ito, parang rock version.
Ay, ano pa yung sunod?
Prismel TV. Prismel. Ha?
take your hand and lead you to the dance floor. As the music dies, something in your eyes goes to light as silver screen. You're all of it. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty, feel like I have no freedom. Though it's easy to pretend, I'm going out of fool. I should have known better, should have friend, and wasted chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you.
Give me one reason. Give me one reason, chat.
Wala bang narinig sa iba?
I know you're not a fool. I should have known that I'd cheat a friend and wasted chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you.
Million dreams.
Ate. Mag-Japanese na naman ako.
O sige, go ate.
Ano? Hindi lang. Grabe, sige, may inom
Gagaya ako. Ako yun ang natawan niya. Ikaw yan ay nung pagali.
Wala kang hugot. Hindi lang yung forest.
You were always gonna be my love. It's so perfect. I got no other going in.
special shout out all the way from Dubai, Kuwait, Saudi.
Saudi Arabia. Ano mga apelido nyo, Paratsa?
Paratsa, middle name namin.
Ratsa.
Si Herald, kilala mo?
Gerald Paratsa?
Sino kilala ko sa
Sino ka batch nyo, ha?
Sino?
Si, may kilala ko sa Paratsa, nakapamana siya po.
Oh, really?
Si Girlie.
Ah, si
Si Girlie, isa lang kami
Ay,
ka-manager.
ito sa Japan.
Si Japan.
Isa lang kami ka-manager sa una.
Wala na yung kabaga.
O, diba?
Ay, isa
Kilala
lang
ko.
mo.
Ano FB mo man?
Ha?
Ano pa yung FB mo? Back to Dubai na. Hindi pa, September pa. Teka lang.
Kaya tsaka te.
Retas Music. Hindi ko kaante ka live ko. Natula pa ako ng tipara. I-hi ko, i-hi. I-hi mo ko. Back to Dubai. O, karon lang.
I'm here, I'm really high. I'm sorry, baby. What's going on? That everything's gonna be quite alright. 'Cause I got one hand in my pocket and the other sneaking out cigarettes.
O, dahil sa gera daw. Baka masaratuhan ako. Airport. Kilala mo to? Bredas Music, Jukes. That I haven't looked at not just yet.
Ano mo?
Cause I got one hand in my pocket and the other beside.
Sikreta daw.
I'm incredible folks. I'm incredible folks.
Bagay sa'yo.
Baby, I'm celebrating.
I'm brave and I'm chicken shit.
I'm celebrating, baby. And why else would you have to tell? It's not a little get got just yet. But I got one hand in my pocket and the other singing piano. These guys are true, my friend. It's not everything that's not fine. 'Cause I got one hand in my pocket and the other singing
Bagay sa'yo yan lang.
That was Bredas Music.
Bunal. Bunal. Uy, ba't ang ganda mo yung niya?
Banat yun.
Bunal, bro. Buy mo na work mo, okay? Ingat. Jobs. Saya man ang sa jobs. Nakaantok
Para
ka
matirang
daw.
matibay din.
Matirang matibay. Nakaraan Sunday, alam mo ba, natulog ako ako. Iniwan nila ako. Binatayin ako ng may-ari.
Nalasing ka ba?
Lasing kami.
Lasing na lasing na
talaga?
Anong tinira nyo ngayon? Yung ano?
There's number B.
Nakailang puti na, Bing.
Talaga? Gusto ko yan lang kabagay sa'yo yan.
Kinanta ko to nung contest sa Malaysia.
Ha?
I'm lying here on the floor, they left me. I think I took too much. I'm lying here. What have you done?
Wala.
Thought it would be fun. I can't stay on your last call. She's trying to switch. I can't stay in your love, and it's making me Said I tried to call the nurse again, just being a little bitch. I think I'll get out of here, where I can run just fast as I can to the middle of nowhere, to the middle of my frustrated fears. And I swear you're just like a pill, still making me better. You can make me ill. You can make me ill. I haven't moved from the spot where you left me. Must have been a bad trip. All the other pills, they were different. Maybe I should get some help. I can't stay on your life support. It's sure that you switch. I can't stay on your welfare. It's making me itch. I said I tried to call the nurse again, but she's being a little bitch. I think I'll get out of here, where I can run just fast as I can to the middle of nowhere, to the middle of my frustrated fears. And I swear you're just like a pill, instead of making me better, you can make me ill. You can make me run just fast as I can to the middle of nowhere, to the middle of my frustrated fears. And I swear you're just like a pill, instead of making me better, you can make me ill. You can make me ill. I can't stay on your life support, it's sure to switch. I can't stay on your love, it's making me itch. I said try to call the nurse again, but she's being a little bitch. I think I'll get out of here, where I can run just fast as I can to the middle of nowhere, to the middle of my frustrated fears. And that's where you're just like a pill, instead of making me better, you keep making me ill. You keep making me ill.
Maganda kay ate. Dapat yan, pag pinatawin mo sa maganda, yan ang person talaga. Hindi kaya lang. May sunod pa yan eh, di ba? Ay, ako nasunod? Meron pa sunod sa'yo eh.
Alam niyo, start ko. Wala ko. Wala.
Saan ba yung ano kayo grado? Ayan, nag-bibiyari siya. Ayun pa.
Ako ka pala.
Oo, dali yan. Ako na Lipstick na.
Oh, yeah.
Lipstick ko na para guwapa ko. Ang ganda ng mic niya. Kato pa kong gabi lang.
Ito yung ano. Ito yung ano, yung...
Pero meron ako. Marami. Yung tinatawag ko mga maker. Ang dami ko ng mic sa bahay. May anin na doon sa bahay sa Pinas.
Ayan, yung laki mo.
Ganda na. Oo.
Yan na lang
Basta,
binili.
sige, bago na lang. Ang intro, yan ang kanal ko. Alam mo, ang maganda mga love song. Alam mo, ang sa love song.
Bakit tayo habol sa laptop?
Di ba, at least lang.
Wala naman
Grace,
wala.
100. Wala sila lang, Grace.
Mag-alam mo yung pag sa school. Ay, sus.
You!
Kumanta niya.
Bilda, hello.
I feel that good morning, Filda, for you. Give me one reason to stay here, Filda.
Kuya, ano ba kasi?
Cheers.
Morning tayo, boss.
Sino yan? Italia's love. Thank you. Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn right back around. Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn right back around. Said I wanna leave it lonely. You never made me change my mind.
Hindi ko lang yung
Baby, I got your number. Oh, I know. go to many times.
Una,
You can call me Philip, you can call me in time, but you gotta call me.
Bye bye.
If you want me to just stay here, and I'll turn right back around.
Till then.
Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn right back around. I said I want to live one day. You gotta make me change my mind.
Pilda, you have request, Pilda.
You can request that.
The most I want to squeeze me, they might take away my life. Don't want to squeeze me, they might take away my life. I just want someone to hold me, oh, and rock it through the night.
Ay, alam ko yung paborito ni Pilda. Si Joey, that he never say goodbye.
Never say goodbye.
I'll be there for you or never say goodbye. Basta Bon Jovi. Pilda, you want Bon Jovi?
Tayo sila para mag-stay.
This evil heart can love you, yes, and give you what you need. I said this evil heart can love you, oh, and give you what you need. But I'm too old for chasing you around, wasting my precious energy. Give you one reason to stay here. Yeah, I'll stop to right back around. Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll take away the loss. Said I don't wanna leave you lonely. You're gonna make me change my mind. Baby, just give me one reason. Oh, give me just one reason why. Baby, just give me one reason. Oh, give me just a reason why. I just said I told you that I love you, and there ain't no more to say. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, grab his music.
Ilagay ko ng video wing. Tagdag ka pa. Hello.
Pilda, shout out.
Evidence out to the chat.
May ano ka, hindi mo na jacketa mo to.
Hindi mo na ako nakasubscribe ng wala. Sa baka may dumating yan. Tapos Tagalog pala. Ba, binigay mo po sa akin lang sa lamin.
Alin?
Yan, gusto ko yan.
Gusto yun. Bakit na yun?
Ikaw lang kumakanta yan eh.
This is all that's gonna
Sabi ni Phil daw, to be continued. To be continued.
Living by hope, share dreams with me. You may be wrong, but still I'm alone. The world you see, to I close my eyes to see, I close my eyes to see.
Bagay sa'yo yan.
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million years are giving me away. A million they go on to rock me.
Ba't wala?
The sun is getting
Wala, bagay sa'yo.
Kaya ko ba pag iboylo? Panglaban? Kasi
Dapat yan ang kinanta mo.
Pinapasito kasi yan.
Kahit na, basta nasa tono.
Talaga,
Oo.
pwede yun pala.
Gusto ko yan. Dapat yan ang kinanta mo. Eh.
Sige, sige.
Nalungkot tong song mo.
Kaya nga wala natutuwa sa kanta ko.
Hatiin mo naman, huwag mo naman kasi galaw.
Okay. Ano tayo? Never say goodbye. Okay.
Oh.
Bill, hello. This is for you, Pilda.
Wala na si Bilda, umalis na kakantay sa amin. So, may continue.
Naantok na ko lang na tayo eh.
Ano oras na dyan?
Alas 3:12 na.
3:30 po tayo sa akin. May pag-studios na kami ang gaganda.
Ciao.
Not about to end. I pass my time with strangers. That is battles my only friend. Remember when we used to park on the street running the dawn. Remember when you lost the keys and you lost more than my backseat, baby. Remember how we used to talk about busting out. We break our hearts together.
Never enough tayo.
Practice ka na.
Kaya nga.
Remember days of skipping school, racing cars of being cool with a six-pack and the radio. We didn't need no place to go. Remember right from that night, you and me, we had a fight and played our favorite singing by your friends. Oh, baby, you'll never let say goodbye. Never say goodbye. Hold it on, you gotta try. Hold it on to never say goodbye.
Ako rin naka-wifi niya.
Oo.
Oh, I guess you'd say we used to talk about busting out. We break our hearts together forever. Never say goodbye. Never say goodbye. You and me and our friends, hoping it would never end. Say goodbye, never say goodbye. Hold it on, you gotta try. Hold it on to never say goodbye. Yeah, yeah.
Pero pagpag-live ko natin pa.
Ha?
Minsan pag-live ako na pagod ako, hindi ko nakuha ang taas.
Kaya nga, pag wala ka sa mood. Nasa ka pa rin lang. Nandiyan pa si ano.
Sino?
Ay, sino ay lang. Nandiyan pa si Pilda. Ah, diba? Wala na si
Yung
Pilda.
kay college na lang.
At college.
Sana may light, ay yung flashlight. Yung salamin ko, baka nandun sa pinda ako.
May grado yun? Ay, hindi pa. Mahal yung grado. Iboylo doon natin.
Ayan.
Ha? Ha? Flashlight. Flashlight.
Sige, tag-dalawa na lang tapos labas na
Sige, sige,
tayo.
sige.
Uy, ganda na.
Uy,
Ano yung mga challenge song na hindi natin nakanta?
Pilda, pwede ko na yun. I'm trying to hold my breath.
Maganda ang may nakakatulog na lang.
Let's say yes, can live these moments and you set up a dream with me.
Ay, record kita.
Getting out there, can you hear it echoing? Take my hand, share this with me, who's dying without you. I share 1,000 spotlight, all the stars we see with the night sky. Never be enough, never be enough. We're sleeping to feel this hands full of the world. Never be enough, never be enough.
Okay, we'll check it out, Vilma. Thank you. Amar. Punta ka muna sa YouTube ko. Check mo nga yung sined ni Filda na link. Sa You Love This Song. Sabi niya. Ano kayong song yan?
Hello. Ang ganda ng mic na makatulong sa
Gusto
business.
po niya sa akin. Pindutin mo kung anong link yan kasi kanta yan. Bibigyan niya sa atin yung song na yan.
Okay.
Ay, tapos na pala to. Oh, send ko sa'yo yan. Pakinggan mo yung record mo.
Sige, sige.
Aldi
Hindi mo marinig pag isasarili mo lang. Hindi mo ma-appreciate.
5119.
5, 1, 1, 9.
Wala pa kasi ang makita eh.
300 leg crunches to start my day. 150 down, 6 a.m. here to coffee. Hello, Pilda. Tingnan mo may time.
Hindi ko makita yung lakuman live. Isa yung muna.
You look in my eyes and I get emotional inside. I know it's crazy, but you still can touch my heart. And after all this time, you think that I wouldn't feel the same. But I was into nothing. Nothing's changed. I still believe someday you and me will find ourselves. worth the risk and money to have a second chance. No, 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 I need you, baby. I still believe that we can be together. No, 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 if we believe that true love never has to end, then we must know that we will love again. Oh, 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 I still believe someday you and me will find ourselves in love again. Oh, baby, yeah, yeah, I had a dream. You and me will find ourselves in love again. I miss your love. Ooh.
Si Don Badong. Si Don Badong. Kanina sa YouTube.
Halika na kasi nasa front siya, di ba?
I had a dream.
Halika dito. Paalis na kami. Doon pa doon. Sabi niya yun.
Okay, 2 more songs and we're gonna end this show.
Hindi ko mahinap ang love, my love. Sino bang kumanta? Ang dami
Queen.
nito. Queen? South Border.
Queen.
Queen?
3933.
Okay.
Ikaw muna, wala yun sa'yo.
Eh, wala. Ano bang nababagay sa akin? She's
Ay, Diyos ko po. Paano tayo mamawa dito? Pilay na. Uy,
Uy, kaya mo tayo lang.
100. Paglabsong, no?
Oo. Mag-love song nga. Ano bang...
Pa-request, I need you now.
I need you.
Si Greta's Music nga, Don Badong, grabe ka.
Love of my love yan.
Ikaw na last song ka na.
Okay, this is my last song. Thank you.
I need you now, okay. I'm go for you pa doon.
I need you now.
Love of my life, you hurt me. You broke my heart, and now you leave me. Love of my life, can you see? Bring it back, bring it back. Don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. Don Badong. Love of my life, don't leave me. You've taken my love, and now destroy me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. Tagal Don Badong. You will remember when music's put on love and everything's all by the way. When I grow older, I will be there at your side to remind you how I still love you. I still love you.
Hindi ko pala mapagsipo eh.
Hindi na ka pa namin katingin ko ang almas.
Wala akong may alam na I need you now rito, Don Badong.
Doon ba daw, islan mo yung request mo, walang I need you now.
Hindi ka namin kailangan.
I don't need you. Sige, islan tayo na lang.
Don't take it away from me because you don't know what it means to me. Love of my life, love of my life. Ooh.
Ano ba?
Yung sa'yo na lang.
Yung mataas.
She's gone.
Ayun, yun. Uy, 91 lang yun. Tingnan mo.
Kinanta daw niya ito nakaraan.
Dito? Tingnan mo nga, oh.
Yung sa'yo muna.
Wala dyan, tingnan mo. I need you now.
Nung kakantayin mo, she's gone?
I need you na lang. I need you like water. Sino kumanta niyan? Beatles?
Hindi. Saan yung I need you? Leanne Rhymes sa'yo.
Yan.
7680.
7680?
Oo.
6?
I need you daw.
7860?
Saan ba yung Leanne Rhymes dyan?
7680.
I need you now.
8 0
Ano yun mo dyan? Tingnan mo. Hanapin mo dyan lang yun. Yun ba yun? Hindi man?
Yan yun. Yan.
Ah,
Wala ditong I need you now. Pasensya na doon ba doon?
wala na lang. Ano ba yan?
Oo, yan yun.
Ah, wow! Ganda na.
Para papa.
Wait na lang. Wala ka dito doon ba doon?
I can tell you what I feel. All the blessings came, the longest desire.
Wala na last song na namin to. Ingat doon ba doon? Ingat.
Yan yung paano meron tayo ako sa sasabihin. Okay, man.
You're the hope that holds me together and the love that rescues me all the way. It's all amazing, just as you are. And yet to do that, 'cause you're right
check out their lives on TikTok and YouTube.
Record pala kayo, just
Facebook.
Balik ka, mag-greet ka.
And shout out everybody. Hope your Sunday is very good. Happy Sunday, everyone. And we're going to end our live stream. Thank you so much. And speaking of, here's our own host for today.
Wala. Sige na. 6 minutes na lang.
Mag-1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Ano yan dyan? Magkano ba? Battery.
May ako.
Hindi na akong pili.
Gumawa na tayo ng video greetings dito.
Sige, sige, sige.
Iba sa akin. O sabay na tayo. Sige na, sabay
Sige
na.
na lang tayo. Init. Ay, isa lang ha. Ayun mo na yung light. Sa'yo ng cellphone kasi ano. Ayun na. Matapang masyado yung perfume ko.
Ano to alcohol?
At,
Bakit ka mag-spray alcohol yan?
tapos na to? Oo.
Oo.
Ubusin mo na yun. Pinoy talaga.
Hindi yan ang gano'n kasi RCR. Wait lang.
Doon ka sa labas ng bayan. Magkano?
Hindi namin.
Sa baba kayo? Sa baba kayo. So talaga, ano, parang naman itong
Restaurant naman to ah.
hindi, ano, self-service dito, madam.
Tagal na ako hindi kumakain. Joke lang.
Nagutom ka, kain mo tayo.
Joke lang.
Busog ka?
Ikaw, gutom ka ba?
Hindi. Nabusog ako sa kakainan. Tapos ng ice cream, hindi ka tayo.
Pagkita naman tayo kasi alam mo mag-ano tayo kay Jesse Blue.
May ano naman, filter and mo sa TikTok, i-ano mo sa TikTok. Sa TikTok tayo, then
Huwag mo rin 1 hour yan ah.
masave kasi sa TikTok na wala nang ano, yung